There we go.
There's no way to stop
There we go. Kevin Lee. Hey guys, Bugs right here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my settings. And yeah, if you want to use them, you can do it. If not, it's fine. I'm just going to do it. Boom. I can press the one. Okay. And I'm just going to scroll down. You can pause the video or yeah. Pause the video if you're scrolling too fast. Oh wait. And that shouldn't be used. Controller, I just have everything like not on because I don't need it, but on controller I can show you. I don't know why I have these settings on, but I just do. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Well, that's it for settings video. What you call it? See ya.